Assalamualaikum friends, my name is Afsa Fatma.
Assalamualaikum friends, my name is Maria.
Welcome to our channel. Friends, we are back with another yummy video that is of
Yummy tasty homemade pizza. And our yummy pizza's yummy sauce is made up of ketchup, mayonnaise, 1 spoon of vinegar and pizza sauce, and the pizza sauce is ready. It's very delicious to eat. You may try our recipe at your homes.
Friends, for the dough, we took 2 cups of all-purpose flour, or you can say maida, 1 egg, half cup milk, 2 tablespoons of oil, 1 sachet of yeast, pinch of sugar, and pinch of salt. And our yummy dough is ready.
How the dough is prepared without mixing any ingredient? I'll tell you the perfect mixture. After mixing it properly, leave it in the oven for 2 hours. But don't switch on your oven.
And wait until it rises. It will be multiplied 3 times if you put the whole sachet of yeast.
Friends, we also added the chicken, cut it in cube shapes, and also fried in macaroni masala.
We fried it properly for 1 to 2 minutes because we don't need the chicken to cook over. Now you can add veggies according to your choice, like we are adding capsicum and onions. Let's see what Malia says.
Oh, I also love this green yummy capsicum. It's so delicious. So please, Afsa, add some more capsicum from my side.
No worries, I'll add some more. But we are making 2 pizzas, so we'll put little in both of them. But still we have 1 whole capsicum, so I guess I'll tell mommy to cut all of them.
And friends, don't forget to add the main ingredient that's everyone's favorite.
What? That is cheese! Cheese is very healthy, yummy, and it is too stretchy, so everyone likes cheese.
And the yummy, delicious cheese is made up of milk that we drink every night. Cheese is healthy to eat, include to your diet. So friends, eat cheese when you're ever making a pizza.
Friends, if you're a cheese lover, then please like, share and subscribe. Until you're pressing the red subscribe button and turning into gray, I'll eat the whole pizza.
Hey Afsa, I'll eat with you, but it's a raw pizza, so how would you eat that? We have to bake it.
Yes, I will cook and then eat.
No, I will eat, and also our family will eat.
Okay,
we'll share it.
Let's do a decision. You'll cook and I'll eat. Done?
No.
That's a good decision. You should.
No, I'll eat first.
No, you cook, I'll eat.
And friends, preheat your oven at 180 degrees and cook your pizza for 15 to 20 minutes.
Friends, check your pizza by pricking it with a skewer. If the skewer comes clean, that means that the pizza is ready. And then don't forget to eat. That's the important thing. Friends, we like cheese a lot, so we are adding some cheese. And here we are adding some garlic extracts, garlic powder on the top of the olives and the pizza. That makes the pizza yummy.